Good morning. This is All India Radio, Kohima. The morning news read by Ketholeno. Prime Minister Narendra Modi said India's relationship with partner countries is based on principles of mutual development and trust. He said India never commits into any relationship considering the financial implications or profitability. Modi was speaking after jointly inaugurating the new Supreme Court building of Mauritius with his Mauritian counterpart Pravin Jugnauth yesterday. Modi reiterated India's commitment to the vision Sagar, which was enunciated by him in 2015. Sagar, which stands for Security and Growth for All in the Region, is India's high-level articulation towards its vision of participatory developmental works in the Indian Ocean. The Prime Minister underlined that India's developmental goals are human-centric and the nation always strives to move along with all its partners in the trajectory of growth. He mentioned India's efforts in many countries towards development of modern infrastructures and amenities, including the Parliament building in Afghanistan, Mahatma Gandhi Convention Center in Niger, ambulance services in all the 9 provinces of Sri Lanka, medical emergency services in Nepal, among others. Detection of 5 positive cases in Mokokchung district increased yesterday's total of COVID-19 patients to 53, taking the Nagaland's tally of confirmed cases to 1,566. In his tweet, Health Minister S. Pangnupom had tweeted that out of the 48 positive cases, 32 were detected from Dimapur and 16 in Kohima. However, the Health Department data in the evening updated 5 cases in Mokokchung. It also said that another 30 patients tested negative for the virus, increasing the number of recovered patients to 625, while 936 are active and 4 have lost their lives. Today is the last day of the 7-day total lockdown clamped by the Kohima District Task Force as containment measures against the spread of COVID-19. Nagaland Minister for PWD, Housing and Mechanical, Tompang Ozukam, who is also the legislator in charge of Kohima DTF, said that extension of the ongoing total lockdown in the state capital is imminent with the increasing number of positive cases. Since May 25 till the eve of total lockdown, Kohima had a total of 299 confirmed cases, but during the 6 days of total lockdown, the confirmed cases has increased to 443, a jump of 144 positive cases. He said the positive cases are increasing while detection outside the quarantine centers is on the rise on a daily basis. He said at this juncture, the current measures cannot be let loose but have to be tightened by extending the lockdown, while the final decision will be taken in today's meeting of the DTF. Meanwhile, the total lockdown in Dimapur and Mon districts in the fight against COVID-19 will end on Sunday. There have been no reports of any untoward incident during the total lockdown period from any of the 3 districts. Union Donor Minister Dr. Jitendra Singh has urged Cane and Bamboo Technology Center (CBTC) to explore setting up of vocational training and skill development centers for bamboo. He said these centers will help the sector in its full exploitation, branding, packaging and marketing in the country and abroad. Dr. Singh was chairing a review meeting of Development of Northeastern Region Donor Ministry yesterday through video conferencing. He said CBTC in coordination with National Bamboo Mission will boost the bamboo economy in the Northeast. He said these centers will propel the bamboo industry with new startups and enhanced livelihood opportunities. He said 10 commercially important species of bamboo have been identified and the states will take up plantation of these new species on a large scale. And the disgruntled presidents of 10 district units of Nagaland BJP yesterday renewed their demand of removal of Nagaland BJP unit president Temjan Imna Along. The BJP district unit presidents held posters which read that they will not undertake any party activities till the president is removed. They said they want a man of principle as the new state party president. With that, we come to the end of the morning news. Have a nice day.